Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add mailing address on Rakuten account. So first we're going to open the Rakuten app. Then once you're here, you're going to click on the account section on the lower right corner. Then as you can see, there's the address option. You're going to click on it. So first you're going to insert your first name, your last name, then your street address, once you type it, it's going to show you options. So you're going to click on the option. Then it's going to show your city, your state. Then you guys have to enter your zip code or even your street address. So once you enter your street address, it's going to automatically insert your zip code. Then once you're done, you're going to click on add address. So that's how you basically do it. It's an easy tutorial. Make sure to also check our other videos. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.